Hey guys, Abs here. Happy Sunday. I don't normally work on Sundays, but I've actually come across this fantastic new plugin that I really want to get out to you guys and talk to you about. It's to do with PixelPipe, and it's a WordPress plugin. So if any of you guys are aware of my IM Power Suite Internet Marketing Power Suite Warrior Forum special offer that I do, you will know that you can actually automate the creation of 65 plus social media sites, link them to PixelPipe, Ping FM and OnlyWire. Just to let you know guys, next week we're going to be adding hello text as well, so that's going to take up the account creation to 80 plus social media sites as well. Now, one of the things that I was looking for, and one of the journeys that I went on after creating these bots, obviously, and while creating the bots, were to look for ways to actually update all of these social media sites without any effort whatsoever. And one of obviously the findings were that PixelPipe was an excellent place that you can actually go and send an update out to, and it'll go and send your video to numerous sites. It'll send your images, your audios, your tweets, your microblogs. It'll send them to a number of sites that you've got linked in with these accounts. Now the problem was obviously you'd have to go and you'd have to sign into PixelPipe and you'd have to send over your blog entry or your image or your video or whatever it was that you actually wanted to send. So I was actually looking for a WordPress plugin, which they do exist. Now I come across I think 1 or 2 WordPress plugins. Now the only issue was when I actually found them, I thought I struck gold. But when I did find these WordPress plugins, I obviously found out that the plugins didn't work. They weren't supported any longer until obviously I come across this excellent offer that I'm going to be talking to you about today. It's very, very cheap. You get lifetime updates and you can use it on unlimited sites. You can also buy a developer's license should you want to buy a developer's license, which allows you to actually build sites, install the plugin on there, set up your PixelPipe sites with that blog, and then obviously you can flip them, which is going to really boost up the value of your websites. Now a number of you guys are already flipping websites using the auto blog software that I actually provided with my Internet Marketing Power Suite, so this has really come out at no better time than it could have come at today. So anyway guys, I've already installed the plugin. The plugin is very, very simple to install. Now this is the blog post that I've actually just created. Automated backlinks plugin for PixelPipe. It hasn't been complete. I still need to put my link in there. I still need to put a video in here as well. I was just testing the plugin. It was my very first post and I wanted to see exactly how it would go. So I'm going to talk you through exactly how you'd be installing the plugin, how simple it is, and how you'd actually link your PixelPipe account as well. So this was the post that I've actually put in here, guys. All I did to this post was obviously just post it away, but not before adding my plugin. So I added the plugin first. I went to plugins, and I went to I went to add new plugin. I went to upload, and I looked for my folder, which was it came in this folder here, pipe_works DV, because it was the developer's license that I purchased. I added the plugin in there. Once it was added in there, guys, I went over to the plugins area and I went over and I found the plugin there and I went to edit, because obviously I was working by the readme file that comes with it. Very simple. It's a 3-step installation, guys. So it tells you to upload the plugin there, then it tells you to activate the plugin, which I activated, guys, which I'm going to show you now obviously on that same plugin page. And then finally it tells you all you need to do is enter your PixelPipe key, which it tells you where it can be found as well from the tool section, and it also tells you what it looks like as well. So I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like and where I found it from. This is my PixelPipe account here, guys. I went over to pixelpipe.com/tools. Very simple. Went to mobiles, email stroke MMS, and this was my key there, guys. That key was copied and pasted to this section just here. Where are we? Here we go. That was my key just there, guys, and that's it. That's all done. Now then, the gem of this tool, guys, which I certainly believed was a massive unique selling point, especially for me buying this and for me recommending this, was that you can add as many PixelPipe accounts as you like. And to do that, guys, all you do is obviously set up a number of PixelPipe accounts. You'd enter your key in there for one PixelPipe account, separated by a comma, and enter your key for your next PixelPipe account, and so on and so on. So this can actually get you thousands and thousands of automated backlinks, guys, especially if you're using the IM Power Suite, which will automate the process of setting up the PixelPipe accounts and linking them to PixelPipe to PixelPipe for you as well. So anyway guys, that was done. I had all that done, I updated it, and that was it. I was all set up to go. Obviously now what I had to do was test the plugin, and I went over to posts, and it does give you some descriptions about testing the plugin, guys. I believe that I do need to test the plugin some more, but this is the plugin that I was looking for, and this is the plugin that I'm going to recommend as well. And it tells you here basically that it takes the first href link from the first 20 megabits of the post, and it tells you what image formats it supports, what video formats it supports. I'm not 100% sure if it supports audio or not. PixelPipe sites certainly do support audio, but I'm sure this plugin is only going to get better if there are any suggestions out there put out to the developers. So anyway guys, this was the post that I made, as you can see here. So we'll go over to PixelPipe now, guys, and I'm going to go to home. On the home page, it actually tells you the most recent posts. So the most recent post, guys, as you can see, I've got an image of PixelPipe in there. Now, why do I have an image of PixelPipe? Is because that is the image that I actually uploaded onto my post on my WordPress blog. So that got sent over. It's also telling me my title, which was backlinks on autopilot with cool new PixelPipe WordPress plugin, and then it's also telling me that I've got automated backlinks plugin for PixelPipe as my H2 tag, which if we go over to the post here, guys, you can actually see that I did give that a H2 tag as well. So everything is, so there you go guys, heading 2. So everything is actually getting sent over perfectly for this. And then what happens is obviously it tells you the various locations that it has been sent to. Some locations aren't going to be retrievable by PixelPipe itself. For example, it's got identity.ca, it's saying it's failed, it had an unexpected response altogether. It says Foursquare, it was sent 18 minutes ago, and that is exactly when I actually updated this on here, guys. So I'm not sure if you can see the timing on here, but that is from today. So that was sent 18 minutes ago. It says Moby Picture as well was sent about 18 minutes ago as well. It's not actually giving us any links, but then the ones highlighted in orange, guys, they're the ones that are giving us links. So for example, if we have a look at Flickr, as you can see, guys, this is my whole post on here. We've got backlinks on autopilot with cool new PixelPipe WordPress plugin. You've got the whole blurb on there, or you've got the whole post on there, guys, with my link to obviously my WSO myself as well, and obviously this is exactly what the PixelPipe plugin does for you. So it's backlinks on autopilot. It's very, very highly recommended, guys, and I honestly can't believe how easy and simple it was to install and use, and it's really going to complement any IM Power Suite user as well. Thank you very much, guys, and I really hope this review was useful to yourself.